Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lian Li LANCOOL 207 with 6-inch LCD display. So friend, Lian Li has refreshed the LANCOOL 207 mid-tower PC case with 6-inch display right on the front. A nice upgrade to the original LANCOOL 207, giving it a more modern, customizable touch, and the screen offer a resolution of 720 into 1600 pixel with 60 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness, which is more than enough to make it stand out. And you can customize what is shown on the display with L-Connect 3 software, which allows user to manage what appear weather, system info, performance metrics, and something more fun. And the mid-tower PC case support ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX motherboard, giving you plenty of flexibility in choosing component. And the mid-tower PC case support ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ITX motherboard, giving you plenty of flexibility in choosing component. If you are installing a graphics card, you have up to 375 to work with, which is enough space for most modern GPUs, and the CPU cooler clearance is also generous, allowing for coolers up to 180 in height. As for its power supply, the case fit unit up to 160 in depth with external dimension of 219 into 455 into 456 and the case offer compact and roomy design to house all your components, and it also features 7 expansion slots, giving you the option to add extra card or storage if needed. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.